up, you guys, and welcome back. So I saw this challenge on TikTok. You take your palette, count how many there are. There's 35 in this one, so I made 35 notes. So I'm gonna make my dad pick my colors. So let's do it.
Here's the deal. You gotta pick three. Okay. Three of them.
Trace.
Trace. Yes.
Uno. Dos. Trace.
Okay. Which numbers did you pick?
6, 8, or 28, 6, 28, and 11.
Oh, heck yeah. Okay.
6, 28, and 11. I guess somebody won something?
No, I'm doing a challenge with my makeup palette. And so you just picked the numbers that I have to use to do my makeup with.
6, 28, and 11.
Heck yeah. Thanks, Dad.
We're back. So we got 6, 28, and 11. Say I'm nervous about this is a complete understatement. So let's do it. 6, 11, and 28. Alright guys, and that completes today's look from the challenge of picking 3 colors out of a hat from your makeup palette. Look in the links below to find all the makeup that I used today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below on what you guys want to see next. That way I make it happen. I'll see you guys later. Bye!